answer through the chat box. I don't want any disturbances in between. This session is being recorded. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, parents. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can start, ma'am.
Yes, Seema, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Start
Yes.
the prayer.
Okay. Yes, children. Good morning, Jai Gurudev. Sit properly. Join your hands and close your eyes. All of you say the prayer along with me, but all of you mute yourself, dear. Okay. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः यस मैम
Yes, children. Happy morning, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Please mute yourself. Darun.
Yes, ma'am.
Darun, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Children, I have seen your wishes in the chat box. When I am wishing, you don't need to unmute and wish. You can wish it in the chat box. Okay. Seema, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Can you see my screen?
now no ma'am now your name only come yeah. Yes coming
Okay. Okay, children. In the last class, we have given introduction for Bara Khadi, and we have seen Swar and its Matra also. Bara Khadi means 12 steps. Yes, we are writing the Vyanjan letters along with the Matras. Yes, so we have seen Swar and its Matra also, and we have seen what are the Matra signs for all the Swar. Yes, and then we have seen how to apply the Vyanjan letter with the Swar, with the Matra sign. Yes, so we have finished that also, and then we have started Ka Varga ki Bara Khadi. We have started Bara Khadi of Ka Varga, and we have seen the first Vyanjan letter, that is Ka. Now, once again, we will see from Ka, and the complete Ka Varga will be taught today. We will see all the letters. With all the letters, we are going to add the Matra symbol. Okay, children? So, when you are adding Matra symbol, so all the letters will be very familiar to you, and it will be easy when you do the first line, then second line, third line, fourth line will be very easy for you to apply the same thing in all the letters. Okay. Yes, Seema ma'am.
yes children once again we will revise the vowels letters first letter a I E U U ri A I O Au Ang Aha. Once again A I U ri A I O Au Ang Aha. I U ri A I O Au Ang Aha. No any matra. So a box is empty box. Okay. Ma'am, video is not visible now.
Now, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes. A no any matra. A की मात्रा. Standing line. A की मात्रा. Small e. Small e. छोटी e. छोटी e. बड़ी e.
Seema, ma'am. Seema, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking.
No, ma'am. I full network have, ma'am, here. Now, okay.
Yes.
Small e की मात्रा. छोटी e. बड़ी e की मात्रा.
1 minute, ma'am. 1
Please.
minute. Sri Hashini. Sri Hashini, please mute yourself. Yes, yes, Seema, ma'am. Seema, ma'am, you are in mute.
Small u की मात्रा. Small u means छोटा u. छोटा u की मात्रा. बड़ा u. बड़ा u की मात्रा. बड़ा u means big u. बड़ा u की मात्रा. री. री की मात्रा. ए की मात्रा. आई की मात्रा. ओ की मात्रा. औ की मात्रा. अंग की मात्रा. लास्ट वन आहा की मात्रा. आ ई उ री ए आई ओ औ अंग आहा. का वर्ग. We will see the ka letters. Ka. No any matra. That's why ka have no any matra. Ka. Ka plus a की मात्रा becomes ka. Ki. Ka plus e. Small e की मात्रा. Ki. की. Ka plus big e. बड़ी e की मात्रा. की. कक्का. की. कु. क प्लस उ. स्मॉल उ की मात्रा. कु. क प्लस उ. बड़ा उ. बिग उ की मात्रा. कु. क्री. क प्लस री की मात्रा. क्री. कक्का. किक्की. कुकू. क्री. के. क प्लस ए की मात्रा. के. कई. क प्लस आई की मात्रा. कई. के. कई. कक्का. किक्की. कुकू. क्री. के. कई. को. क प्लस ओ की मात्रा. को. के कई. को. कौ. क प्लस औ की मात्रा. कौ. कक्का. किकी. कुकू. क्री. के कई. को कौ. कंग. कहा. क प्लस अंग की मात्रा. कंग. लास्ट वन. क प्लस आहा की मात्रा. कहा. कक्का. किकी. कुकू. क्री. के कई. को कौ. कंग. कहा.
Seema, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sainath, please mute yourself. Yes, ma'am. Okay, children, let's sing a song with this ka ki matra, ka letter. Yes, with the matra symbols. Yes. Ka ki ku kri. के कै को कौ कम कह. Yashwant, stop giving annotations. Yashwant, can you see your name on the screen? Yes, please stop giving annotation request. Tejaswini. Okay, once again. Kaka kiki kuku kr ke kai ko kau kam kaha. Yes, now we'll see the next letter. Seema ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. After ka next letter kha. 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 First kha. No any matra. Kha. Kha plus a की मात्रा becomes kha. 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 Kha plus small e छोटी e की मात्रा khi. Kha. Kha. Khi. ख प्लस बड़ी ई की मात्रा, बड़ी मीन्स बिग ई की मात्रा ही. ख प्लस ऊ की मात्रा हु. ख प्लस ऊ की मात्रा हु. खुक हु. ख प्लस री की मात्रा ख्री. ख प्लस री की मात्रा ख्री. ख खा खी खु क्री. क्री. खे ख प्लस ए की मात्रा खे. ख प्लस आई की मात्रा खई. खखा खिखी खुखू ख्री. खे खई. खो ख प्लस ओ की मात्रा खो. ख प्लस ओ की मात्रा खो. खखा खिखी खुखू ख्री. खे खई खो खऊ. ख प्लस औ की मात्रा खऊ. खो खऊ. खो खऊ. खंग. ख प्लस अंग की मात्रा खंग. खंग. लास्ट वन ख प्लस आहा की मात्रा खह. खखा खिखी खुखू ख्री. खे खई खो खऊ खंग खह. खखा खिखी खुखू ख्री. खे खई खो खऊ खंग खह. Now next letter g. G. First g no any matra. G. Ga. Ga. Ga plus a की मात्रा ga. ग प्लस आ की मात्रा गा. गग्गा. 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 ग प्लस ई की मात्रा स्मॉल ई की मात्रा गि. 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 ई. ग प्लस ई बड़ी ई की मात्रा गी. गग्गा. गिग्गी. गु. ग प्लस ऊ स्मॉल ऊ की मात्रा गु. गु. गग्गा गिग्गी गु. गु. ग प्लस ऊ बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ा ऊ मीन्स बिग ऊ, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा गु. गग्गा गिग्गी गुग्गू. ग्री. 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 ग प्लस री की मात्रा ग्री. ग्री. गग्गा गिग्गी गुग्गू ग्री. गे. ग प्लस ए की मात्रा गे. ग प्लस ए की मात्रा गे. गे. गई. गई. ग प्लस आई की मात्रा गई. गई. गग्गा गिग्गी गुग्गू ग्री. गे गई. गे गई. गो. ग प्लस ओ की मात्रा ग प्लस ओ की मात्रा गो. गो. ग प्लस ओ की मात्रा गो. ग प्लस औ की मात्रा गौ. गो गौ. गो गौ. गंग. ग प्लस आहा की मात्रा गंग गंग ग प्लस आहा की मात्रा गंग and ग प्लस आहा की मात्रा गह ग प्लस अंग की मात्रा गंग गह ग प्लस आहा की मात्रा गह once again गग्गा गिग्गी गुग्गू ग्री गे गई गो गऊ गंग गह गंग गह गग्गा गिग्गी गुग्गू ग्री गे गई गो गऊ गंग गह आफ्टर ग नेक्स्ट लेटर घ घ घ घा घा प्लस आ की मात्रा घा घ घा घ है नो एनी मात्रा सो we say घ घ घा घा पे आ की मात्रा घा घ प्लस ई स्मॉल ई की मात्रा घी घी घ प्लस स्मॉल ई की मात्रा घी घा घी घी घा प्लस बड़ी ई बिग ई की मात्रा घी घू घ प्लस ऊ की मात्रा स्मॉल ऊ की मात्रा स्मॉल ऊ मीन्स छोटा ऊ की मात्रा घू बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा घू घ प्लस बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा घू घग्गा घिघी घुघू घ्री घ्री घ प्लस री की मात्रा घ्री घ्री घ प्लस ए की मात्रा घ प्लस ए की मात्रा घे घे घई घ प्लस आई की मात्रा घई घग्गा घिघी घुघू घ्री घे घई घो घऊ घो घ प्लस ओ की मात्रा घो घ प्लस ओ की मात्रा घो घ प्लस औ की मात्रा घऊ घो घऊ घंग घ प्लस अंग की मात्रा घंग घंग घग्गा घिघी घुघू ग्री घे घई घो घऊ घंग लास्ट वन घह घ प्लस आहा की मात्रा घह घंग घह घग्गा घिघी घुघू ग्री घे घई घो घऊ घंग घह घग्गा घिघी घुघू ग्री घे घई घो घऊ घंग घह yes ma'am
Yes, yes, children. Now, for all the letters, we'll sing a song once. Okay. Ka ka ki ku ku kri ke kai ko kau kam kaha. Right. For I E also will sing. Okay. I E u re e I o au aha ka ka ki ku ku.
ma'am voice is breaking
Now, ma'am.
yes start ma'am
Yes, ma'am. Kaka kiki kuku kri ke kai ko kau kam kaha. Now next letter is kha. Okay, kha. Kha kha kiki kuku kri ke kai ko kau kam kaha. Yes, Siba ma'am.
voice is clear now
Okay, okay. And the next letter is G. G. G, 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 Gu, Gu, Gr. Ge, Gai, Go, Gau, Gum, Gaha. And every second letter you have to add ha sound. Next letter is Gha. Gha, Gha, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gr. Ge, Ghai, Go, Ghau, Gham, Gaha. Okay, children. Seema ma'am.
yes ma'am
Yes, children. Children, now please switch on your videos. We will do 2-minute exercise.
yes ma'am
Switch on your videos. Seema ma'am, after exercise, we will ask them questions.
Yeah, sure. Shall I
Children,
start,
I
ma'am?
cannot see anybody. Please switch on your videos. Yes, very good.
Yes, children. Who is-
Yes, ma'am.
Children, stand up, all of you, please. Stand up. All of you stand up. Yes. Same place. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Children, see your left side. Left side. See your left side. Now, see your right side. Right side. Yes. See your upside. Upside. Yes. Now see your downside. See your toes. Downside. Again, see left. See right. See up. See down. Children, rotate your eyes. Left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, right to left. Right to left. Rotate your eyes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Now rotate your head. Children, rotate your head left to right. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now right to left. Right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No, ma'am.
8, 9, 10. Very good. Now children, once again, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Very good, children. Yes, now sit down. Sit in your place. Sit your place. Very good. Now mute your video. Thank you, children.
Yes, children. Thank you so much. Switch off your videos. Sit in your place. Yes, Seema ma'am. You can call some names.
Yes, yes. 3C VK Kailash. 3C VK Kailash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kailash. Please read this, Kailash.
Ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha.
Very good. Superb. You get a star, Kailash. Very good. Next, ma'am. Mute yourself, Kailash. Thank you.
Thank you,
Next,
ma'am.
A. Mohammed. A. Muhammad. Ritika, please mute yourself.
Yes,
Ritika, Ritika, mute yourself. A. Muhammad. A. Muhammad.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika, mute yourself. I'm calling
Yes,
for
ma'am.
Muhammad.
Yes, ma'am.
V Ritika, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Mohammed Shamil. Yes, Shamil, tell this.
Ka, ki, ku, ku, kra, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha.
Very good, Shamil. Very good. You get a star, Shamil. Very good. Thank you. Mute yourself.
Thank you,
Children,
ma'am.
when your name is okay, children, when your name is called, please say yes, ma'am, and say Shamil here, Ritika here, like that you say. Otherwise, we don't know who is shouting yes, ma'am. Okay? Yes, Sima, ma'am. Next person.
H Pratiksha. H Pratiksha.
Pratiksha. Please unmute yourself. Pratiksha. Pratiksha, are you there?
Okay, next name है ma'am Manikandan. K Manikandan.
K. Manikandan.
Ma'am.
Yes, is it Manikandan?
No,
It is not
Pratiksha.
Pratiksha. Okay, Pratiksha, read this.
Ma'am, Pratiksha.
Yes, ma, read this. Pratiksha. Seema ma'am, you can call another person. Manikandan.
Manikandan. Yeah, K Manikandan.
K. Manikandan.
Kaka.
Kha. It is kha. Very good.
Kaka. Kiki. Kuku. Keke.
K.
Coco.
Khai.
Kekai. Ko.
Kho. Khau.
Kau.
Kham. Khaha. Manikandan, wait. Manikandan,
Yes, ma'am.
repeat after me, okay?
I know Hindi. Yes, ma'am.
Who is that? Ritika, please mute yourself. Who is this? 5D Ritika. Please mute yourself. Manikandan, please repeat after me. This is kha.
Ka.
Kha. It is not ka, it is kha.
Ka.
Kha. Ha sound should come out, okay? Kha.
Ka.
Kha. Kha.
Na.
Anishka, please mute yourself, children. Other children, please mute yourself. Ritika 5D, please mute. Kha.
Kaka.
Manikandan. Yes. Kiki.
Kiki.
Kuku.
Kuku.
Kri.
Kre.
Kr.
K.
Kekai.
Kekai.
Kho. Khau.
Kokau.
Kham. Khaha.
Kam. Kaka.
Once again, you are not saying it as kha, you are saying it as ka. Okay, Manikandan, practice well at home. Okay, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, next person, ma'am.
Sukritan. R Sukritan 3C.
Sukirtan
R
is 3C.
Sukritan. Sukritan, yes. Is unmuted, ma'am. Ask the question, please.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Read this, Sukirtan. Sukirtan, say yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, something. Okay. Sanmita of 3C. Sanmita.
आंसर मैं पूछूं? टाइम तो मैं लेसन पढ़ा रही थी बीच में।
Seema ma'am.
यस मैम।
Sanmita, are you coming? Yes, Sanmita, read this. Sanmita, please make it fast. Yes. Sanmita, you have to read whatever is visible in the screen. No. Gaga, gigi, gugu, gri. Ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha. Yes, very good. Sanmita, mute yourself. Yes, ma'am. Next person, Seema ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Next person is 3D Siddharth. Young Siddharth 3D.
Siddharth of 3D. Siddharth.
Kaushik, mute yourself. Kaushik, please mute yourself. Siddharth, I'm calling the
Seema ma'am. Seema
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let everybody mute. We will repeat this once again. Children, please, all of you mute yourself. Yes, Seema ma'am.
Siddharth, Yam Siddharth.
Seema ma'am, you can repeat this. No need to ask questions. They are not coming out. Children, listen here. Just look at the screen. Please mute yourself. Ka. Ki. Okay, the first line. Once again. Ka. Ki. Then I'm going to the second line. Ku. Kr. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kam. Kaha. Okay. Next. Kha. This is kha. Don't say it as ka once again. Okay. We have only one ka. This is kha. Kha. Ki. Khu. Kri. Ke. Khai. Ko. Khau. Kham. Kha. Okay, children. Kha. Ki. Khu. Kri. Ke. Khai. Ko. Khau. Kham. Kha. Okay. Now we'll go to the next letter, that is Ga. Ga. Gi. Gu. Gri. Ge. Gai. Go. Gau. Gum. Gaha. Once again. Ga. Gi. Gu. Gu, gri, ge, gai, go. Manjula, Mahesh, please don't give annotation request. Go, gau, gum, gaha. Next letter is gha. Okay, in ka varga we have 5 members, ka, kha, ga, gha, na. But here we are not writing for inga. For inga letter we are not writing Barakhadi. Okay. Next is gha. Gha. We have only one ga letter. And next to ga is gha. Gha, gha, ghi, ghi, ghu, ghu, ghr, ghe, ghai, gho, ghau, gham, gha. Once again, gha, gha, ghi, ghi, ghu, ghu, घ्री, घे, घई, हो, घऊ, घम, गहा. Children, we are teaching very slowly so that you understand all the letters. If I ask the question for kha also, you are repeating it as ka only. So don't say it as ka. We have only one ka. Okay, the next letter to ka is kha. Okay, children, please practice it. I will send you this in WhatsApp also. Please practice, and when I am reading, when we teachers are reading, please open your mouth and repeat at home. Okay, when you just listen, you will not get practiced. When you repeat after us, then you will learn very fast. Okay. Now I want you to learn something new today. That is oral ginati. Ginati is counting numbers. Okay. Now we are going to count numbers today. Okay. Now let's see the numbers. Okay. So we are going to count from 1 to 10 in Hindi. So we'll start. 1, 2, that is ek, do, teen, char, panch. Okay, children. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच. Once again. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच. Who is Manjula Mahesh? What are you typing in the chat box? What are you typing in the chat box? Stop typing something else. Yes, once again, shall I repeat it, children? So from 1 to 5, once again I will repeat. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच. Yes. Now we'll go to the next one. छः, सात. Sudarshini, please mute yourself. आठ, 9, 10. Once again, I'll count it. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, this. Okay, once again. So now these all things will be gone. Okay, ek, do, teen, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9 and this. Yes, children. Once again, one more time. Next class, you have to do this. I will select 3 children from your class and you have to get ready with your things. एक, दो, तीन, चार, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Manjula, Mahesh, can you unmute yourself? Yes, children. Now, is anybody ready to count this? Please tell me in chat box. Anybody ready? Chat box. If you are unmuting, I am not going to call you. Charmita. Yes, Charmita, come.
Yes,
If you are
ma'am.
unmuting, I am not going to call you. Yes, Charmita, tell me. I will keep my fingers. You just count, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, नौ, आठ,
8. Yes. Now,
10.
very good, Charmita. Yes, very good.
Thank
Next
you, ma'am.
person is.
Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Next person, Syed. Syed. Syed, unmute yourself. Yes, yes. Count, Syed.
एक, दो,
दो,
तीन, चार,
चार,
पाँच,
हम्म,
पाँच, छः,
छः, yes.
सात, आठ, नौ, 10.
Very good, Syed. Yes, Mitra. Mitra, come. Come fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mitra, do it fast, quickly.
एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10.
Very good, children. Very good. Big claps for you all, children. In next class, I'm going to select 3% from your class and you will collect the objects during the exercise time and you will be ready doing the video. In the last 10 minutes, we will tell you to do the video. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you so much. Practice Vyanjan again and again at home. In next class, we will start writing. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.